In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select hidden layers in Canva. If you've ever found yourself working on a complex design in Canva, you've probably encountered the challenge of managing multiple overlapping elements. Sometimes specific layers can get obscured or hidden behind others, making it tricky to select and edit them. This guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you have full control over your design elements. Let's start by heading to your Canva editing page. You'll want to have your design open and ready. Once you're in your workspace, take a look at the layers you're working with. These layers are essentially the building blocks of your design, and being able to manage them effectively is crucial for creating polished, professional-looking projects. Now, to get started with selecting hidden layers, you'll need to right-click on any visible layer in your design. Right-clicking is a simple action that opens up a context menu, giving you access to various options. Once this menu appears, you'll want to locate the option labeled Layer. This option is your gateway to managing the different elements that make up your design. After clicking on Layer, another menu will pop up. Here, you'll see an option that says Show Layers. This is the key step. Clicking Show Layers will reveal all the layers in your design, including those pesky hidden ones that have been eluding you. Think of this as pulling back a curtain to unveil everything that's going on behind the scenes of your project. Once you've clicked Show Layers, a panel will appear displaying all the layers within your design. This panel is incredibly useful because it not only shows you the visible layers, but also highlights those that are hidden beneath others. Now you have the ability to select and modify any layer you need, regardless of its current visibility status. This ability to view and select hidden layers can save you a significant amount of time and frustration, especially when working on intricate designs. It allows you to fine-tune your work with precision and ensures that no element is left untouched or accidentally altered. To wrap things up, having mastered this technique, you can now navigate through your Canva projects with more ease and confidence. Remember, managing your layers efficiently is essential for achieving the best results in your designs. So, next time you're working on a project and need to access those hidden layers, just follow these steps and you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.